Use your smartphone to detect diseases in your dog or cat. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and there is a new app making its way from South Korea that can check your pet's health through a simple photo of their skin and eyes. It's called TT Care AI for Pet Healthcare. Just answer any questions about which body part of your pet you want to check up on. Take a photo with your phone's camera, and the AI will analyze the pet's health status, claiming they detect early abnormal symptoms with 90% accuracy. You can also use the app to join virtual consultations with vets if you have follow-up questions. The app is available for both iPhone and Android. Some of the features are free, but you'll need to subscribe to a membership to get full health checks and analysis of your pet. You can get a free month trial though. I think it's worth doing that. Pay $4.99 a month after that, or $49.99 for the entire year. For more ways to use tech to care for your dog or cat, head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter.